Okay, written. So how many direction we can set the padding? 5 direction. One is from all the side. Another one is only from the left side, then right, top and bottom. You can write here suppose 30 px. It apply from left side. Left side. It apply from right side. It apply from the top side and it apply from the bottom side. The right side from the top side. Top side, bottom side. Okay, create next file, example5.html to understand the padding example. Next file you create example5.html. Next file you create example5.html. Okay, ready? Now padding.html file. Padding.html. HTML we can start here. Body we can write. Under body tag, you can use one p tag, and under the p tag, you can use some type of text. Text 2-3 line.
Right
For that, style equal to the style equal to assume 200 px, and after that background a red color, you can float left, width 200 px, background red, float left, and keep margin also, margin 30 px, right, and check this division how it appear. Save this file, run this file. Okay, the one division, not division, this paragraph should look like this. A small. Width, if you want, make 300, no problem. Make width 300, will be little bit spacious. Okay, hope ready, something like this. Now inside that, we will apply the padding. Copy this division first, paste after this. Copy the same paragraph, paste below again. Two similar paragraph will appear one after other. Now we need to see between two paragraphs some gap is coming. That is because of margin. Between two paragraphs some gap is coming because of margin. 30 pixel, 30 pixel, 60 pixel will be total gap. Check once. Hope your paragraph is visible. Okay, something like this or different. The margin is there between two paragraph, 30 pixel you are given. So 30 pixel of first paragraph, 30 pixel second paragraph, 60 pixel gap you have. Go for the second paragraph and apply a property called padding. Padding 40 pixel. Padding 40 px. Apply the property called padding 40 px. You will find the second paragraph will be resized. It will become little big size and it will get little space inside where 40 pixel from all the side. Left, right, top, bottom, all the side, it will get a space of 40 pixel. it will get a space of 40 pixel from all side, that is here. So you can see inside the paragraph, equal gap from all the side, 40 pixel. Out of the paragraph, gap is 30 pixel. So inside the paragraph, a space is coming, it is from the padding. So padding apply a space inside and margin is apply a space outside. Padding apply a space inside and margin apply a space outside. Yes. Padding we have many types, left, right, top, bottom. We can check. Write it and let me know also your page is working or not. Okay, done now. If you reply on time, we can move fast and it will be helpful. We'll save time. If I write continuous, it will not be in your favor. So once you complete, ping me also. Working, not working. Okay, so moving on. Now copy the similar one more paragraph and paste after this. Okay, copy and paste. After that, write inside. Everything same. Padding apply from the left side. Padding left 40 px. Everything same, only padding change to padding left. Padding change to padding left. And then check once. Hello. Hello. Okay, save now and check again. Padding left, have some space. It apply a space from left side. Hello. No. You can talk in Telugu after half an hour. Person will come Telugu person. You will get a call back. Wait for half an hour. Okay, we will call you. Our person will call you and they'll guide you in the same number. Okay, hope ready. Padding left. Now keep one more paragraph. Apply padding right. Padding right. Padding left. Padding right. Similar way, we can apply padding top and bottom. Also work. Okay, space from which side? Right side. So this padding represent for what purpose? For spacing purpose only, but inside. Okay. Using padding margin, you can create a better page. You can align multiple container and you can organize the content properly. Okay, come to the next. Next we have called border property. Border. Border. It has 8 types of border. How many type? 8 type of border. You can write border type. Border type, what are we have? We have one called solid. Another one we have called dashed. Dash will come. Next we have called dotted. Solid, dashed, dotted, double. Next we have called reach. Then we have called group. Then we have called inset. Next we have called outset. These all are the type of border we have. Next we have called border direction. Border direction. Border direction, what we have? If you write only border, it apply from all side. If you write only border, it apply from all side. Border hyphen left from the left side. Border hyphen right from the right side. Border hyphen top from top side. Border hyphen bottom from the bottom side. Even you can write border colon none. No border. No border. Border none. will remove all the border from left, right, top, bottom, whichever the side you have given the border, it will get removed and it will become a none. Okay, done. Now write one final example. Example, border 10 px solid red color. So what will happen is 10 pixel border will come and it will be the solid style and the color will be red color. Create a file border.html. Create a file border.html. 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 We'll start from HTML again, follow the body tag. Okay. Inside this, we can create a div tag, and for this division, keep a style equal to height of the border 250 pixel. Width of the border 250 pixel. Next, after that, margin of the border 30 pixel. Then after that, float left, height, width, margin, float. Height, width, margin, float. Height, width, margin, float. Then after that, border 10 pixel, solid red color. And right inside for solid border. Check one division. It should have height 250, width 250, margin 30 pixel, float left, border 10 pixel, solid red. Then check now. So we can get a division, something like this. This border is called solid border. Height, I think you can keep 200 to manage the space. Height keep 200 to manage the space. Then copy the same division, paste after this. Okay, height, width, margin, float, border, 10 px instead of solid, keep as a dotted. Okay, hope ready. See, dotted will look like dot dot dot. Copy again. Paste after this. Dotted convert into dashed. It will come dash dash dash. Dot. Okay, something like this. Next, after that, copy the same. Total 8 types you have. You can paste and change the type. Called double. Double line border will come. Next, again copy paste. Change to ridge. 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 You can see some kind of 3D line will appear. Ridge. Next, we have called inset groove. You can try. Groove. After that, what we have? After groove, we have inset and outside. Write that remaining. Your wish. Red is here. Change blue, orange, maroon, any color. Okay, written. So how many type of border? 8 type of border. Okay, go next. Write the next line. That is called. Hmm. You can write, no? I have written 6 times. 2 more are pending. You can copy paste. Change the inside outside. Hmm. You have written a small mistake somewhere. Right next property called display. It has multiple options. Display in line. Another one is display in a line hyphen block. Next is display block. One more is there called display none. Display colon none.
Inside of the not working.
Inside
and outside.
Which one?
Bottom.
Insert is not working.
Inside not getting one. Not.
INSCT. Insert, okay. Right here call insert. It's coming in insert. Upper section is red and bottom. Upper section is dark and bottom section is red.
Spelling mistakes.
Insert. Okay, so display inline block, display none. Display flags also. Display flags. So we'll create example. Display in line 1. Create a file display.html. Display.html. HTML open close. Write the body tag. Follow the UL tag. Then write the li tag. Keep column home. Hmm. Hmm. Routers, contactors, login, login, and register, inquiry, services. Okay, ready? If you run this file, you will find li is the block level tag. It will come in new line. Here, it's printing in the new line. CSS has feature the called display inline. Using that, style equal to display colon inline. Display inline. Write all the places. You will find all the li will print in the same line. It will convert from block to inline. And instead of printing in the new line, it will print in the same line. Okay, ready? Check now. So to print everything in the same line, same line. So it is converted from block to inline using display inline property. Next, some space is required. So for that, we have a property called padding we can use. Padding also apply the space inside. Okay, put padding left. Padding left 20 pairs. All places, padding left. So inside the li from left side, inside the li from left side, some padding will get applied. In that, want to call whether I've saved the number. We can call UIN more or something.
This one.
UIN. 2 minutes to balance. Okay, next we can add the same thing. Here, 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 and here. Okay, padding left, space got applied. Display in line converted into same line. Padding left, given the space from the left side. So it looked like a inline, all in inline. But you can see this code is very complicated. Display in line, how many times you have written? N number of times. Padding left also multiple times. This is the problem of inline CSS. You have to write the same code again and again, again and again. Copy paste. Code will become complicated. Now solution of this one is internal CSS. Same example, if we create through internal CSS, we have to write only one time display in line and padding left. Okay, and it will apply all the places. Yes. So that will be our next example. Inline CSS people not use in the market, so will not spend much time. This much is enough. We got some idea. Now remaining time on internal, external, and external. Even not import also. Import also no one use. Very rare. Internal and external is the most important method. Hello. Okay, sir. Coming now. ओ लक्ष्मी लेआउट पता है ना आपको? नहीं प्रॉब्लम. Yes. Okay, so we have written padding. Now create another file under the internal folder. Under the internal folder, you create a file called example1, example1.html. In which folder? Internal folder. Okay. Same code you can copy paste. Same code you can copy and paste. Before body, open the head section and close the head section. Before body, open the head and close the head. Okay. Next, after that, open the style, close the style. So in the previous example, it was using inline CSS. Now this is you are going to make using internal CSS. In internal folder. This file we need to create under the internal folder. You have internal folder. Save in that. Give the file name example. Okay. Now after that, you have written the li. So write a tag here called li and curly bracket open close. Li tag open and close. Li tag open and close. And not li tag right, and then after that curly bracket open and close. Curly bracket open and close. Next, after that, this display in line and padding left, you copy from here and paste inside this. एक मिनट, hello. हाँ भैया बोलिए. कौन सा ऊपर वाला? टूट गया है. क्या है? किसने करना है? अच्छा, प्लेस करने का हो जाएगा. ऐप बस बनाया नहीं पूरा ना. तो लास्ट में हो जाएगा ना, इसी नंबर में okay, so written display in line and float left. So what will happen in current page? How many places you have the li? For all the li, display in line and padding left 20 pixel will get applied. Now for this li display in line you have written many times, you delete from here. Remove from here. Okay, done. Remove from all the li. Now you run this page. You will find the same output as it was before. Same or different? Okay, similar. See, okay. Font size is little small. I think I'm going to little. Something like this. Now you can see in the previous page, display in line, you have written line by line everywhere. In current page, we wrote only one place, display in line and padding left. And it happened how many times? All the places. So which one you feel better? Internal or inline? Definitely internal is the best, because in this method, 20 pixel you have written. You want to change 25, you have to change all the places. All the places. If you want to add one more property, you have to change all the places. Come to this example. If we change here one property, suppose if you write called color red, it will apply everywhere. For all the li, color will change to the red color. Check once. Happen all the places. Red color, right? Come to the code now. How this work? When your page will execute, definitely head will execute first. In head only we have style. Style will execute first in the beginning. Next, after that, as soon as your compiler will come down, compiler will see wherever the li will come. For li, display will be inline. By default, display will be block. But since you are written here CSS style, so forcefully display will be inline. And it will say li leave in the left side, how much? 20 pixel. And again, for all the color, the text will be white, red color. For all the text will be red color. Right? Next, after this, go here, write one more call. You will get. Check some spelling. Color spelling, COLOR. COLOR or COLOUR?
ULOR.
Here spelling you have given semicolon. Semicolon here. In which file you have written? Which file you are running? No, you are running this file or this file?
This file, yes, example one, sir.
Hmm? Check once. Hello? हेलो हाँ चेंज कर दिया क्या चल रहा है पूरा पूछ के हमको बोल दो कि मैसेज करेंगे मैं दे दूंगा इधर से बोलिए भैया हो गया ठीक है कितना भेजना है आपको 150 ठीक है कौन सा नंबर है आपका हमको एक मिनट हो गया बोलिए नंबर ठीक है उसके बाद 9164 आफ्टर दैट हेलो हाँ 64 के बाद हाँ उसके बाद 76658 नेम क्या दिखाएगा उसको ठीक है ठीक ठीक मैं भेज देता हूँ एक मिनट उनको पैसा भेज दिए बोल पैसा भेज दिए चले जाओ हाँ बोल दो उनको क्या गया है पैसा दे चेक कर लीजिए Okay, let's go ahead. Come to the developer guide. So this is one-to-one. In display.html file, we have written display inline. So how many li we have? That many time we have written the display inline. So it is called one-to-one. For one li, we have written CSS. For second li also we have written. For third li also we have written. In fact, for all li we have written. Right? So this is called as a one-to-one. It's not one-to-many. But in example one, what you have written, it should become as a one-to-many. One CSS code and how many li? So many li. So this becomes a one CSS and multiple HTML. One too many. Okay. So one too many. If you look from the CSS side, then one time CSS and many time HTML. If you look from the HTML side, then many time HTML and one time CSS. One too many and many too. Okay. Not many to many as of now. It's not many to many. Okay. Come to the developer guide. In developer guide, in beginning only we have written 4 method. Call as a inline, internal, external, and import. First to write some line for the inline CSS. What problem we have in this, so that we are shifting to the internal. In inline CSS. Inline CSS, definitely some problem will be there. Because of that, people use second method. What problem we saw? Same code we are writing again and again. If you want to modify, we have to modify everywhere. Code will become complex. Many more reasons. Right here, it is one to one. It is one to one. That says write CSS code one time and use in HTML only one time. Write CSS code one time.
Disadvantages.
Hmm.
Disadvantages.
Only disadvantage, no advantage. Okay, next line. College, if code is one to one, or maybe you can write like this, because of one to one, because of one to one, code duplicate will happen. Because of one to one, code will become duplicate. Because of one to one, code will become duplicate. Come down. If code is duplicate, it modification will be complex. If you want to modify anything, it will become complex. If code is duplicate, modification will be complex. Next, you write if code is duplicate, file weight will increase. Weight will increase. If file is heavy, page loading will take long time. If file is heavy, page loading will take long time. Okay. Long time. Right? If page is slow, user experience will be bad. User experience will be bad. As well as page will take long time to show in Google search. Okay, if your page is slow to load, user experience will be bad. It will take long time to come in Google search. These all are the main problems. It will take more internet data to load the page. Like suppose one page is heavy, if a customer will open the page is going to take long time. Page will be taking lot of internet data. So it will be loss of the data for the users. Ready? Come to the next. Under the internal CSS. Okay, in internal CSS, you can write it is one to many. It is one to many. Okay, write CSS one time and use in HTML many times. Write the next method. What is it? It says like it is one to many, write once and use many times. So we saw in that example, we have written one time and we have used how many times? Many times. But the method you have written here, this method is not only the final method. Total 5 methods we have. Using the 5 method, we can write one to many. So go here. Now right below, CSS has given 5 methods to write one to many. CSS has given 5 methods to write one to many. Okay, CSS has given 5 methods to write one to many. What are those? One, CSS for tag name. CSS for tag name. Second one, CSS for ID. Third one, CSS for class. Fourth one, CSS for tag group. Fifth one, CSS for parent tag, parent and child tag. CSS for parent and child tag. This is for parent and child. Okay. Now we can write one example for this one. This will be under the example 2. .html. This will be under the example 3.html. This will be under the example 4.html. This will be under the example 5.html. Example 5.html. This will be under the example 6.html. Okay. So now create the example 2.html. HTML head, then open the style. Open the body, close the body. First write for body tag. Background sky blue. So body tag, wherever it will come, background will convert into sky blue. Right. In HTML, not in CSS. BG color is in HTML. Background is in CSS. Okay, ready? Check now. Background should be sky blue. Write for paragraph. This is P1, P2, P3, P4. Okay, done. Let's write the CSS for p tag. In current page, wherever the p tag will come, all places it will get applied. Like width of the paragraph, 250 pixel. Height of the paragraph, 200 pixel. Background of paragraph, which color? White color. Okay. Then margin between two paragraph, 20 pixel. Correct. Float, left. So this will happen for the p tag. In current page, wherever we have the p tag, all places four paragraph in one line. In current page, how many paragraph will come? For all the paragraph, this CSS will get applied. In current page where body tag will come, there this will get applied. So the body paragraph, in the term of HTML, it is called as a tag. In HTML, what you call? Body is a tag, paragraph is a tag. But in CSS, it is called as a selector. Selector. What is called? Selector. Okay, in the term of CSS, it is called as a selector, right? In the term of CSS, it is called a selector. Okay, right? So next we will see again tomorrow. Your all videos are uploaded till yesterday in playlist. You can follow.